walking out of Lenny's room and we're going to go through it and sort it out once and for all. Are you being naughty? I'm Elayna and this is Riley, and this is our home, Vagabonde. We've been sailing around the world for the last 5 years and have recently found ourselves with a stowaway. Meet Lenny. Subscribe and welcome aboard. We've had a pretty nice time here in Montauk, just being in the one spot for a while. It's given us the chance to make some friends and get stuck into the boat jobs you can literally delay for months when you're constantly moving. I think Lenny has really enjoyed the stability of solid land as well. So we just had the best morning. We met a lady called Shannon and her parents live here. Well, she comes here from Montauk on the school holiday. She's a teacher. She just took us to some of her favourite spots in Montauk, took us to the farmers market.
So whereabouts you guys from?
Australia.
It's my dream to go to Australia.
Is it?
Yeah, you know what it is? I'm not really a long flight person, so they have to make like a drug that will make me pass out for 20 hours straight.
I'm sure that exists.
They already have that.
It does, it definitely does.
Just getting your hands on it.
Yeah.
Then she just took us to her mum's garden and we picked a bunch of herbs, zucchinis, tomatoes.
This is my mom's garden.
Yeah.
And we've got some nice yellow squash growing here, some wild mint, oregano, just taken over this patch, bachelor's buttons, and then lots of zucchini and gladiolas against the far fence there.
Stunning. It's your mama's pride and joy.
The garden cat, Wilco.
Yeah. And the dog.
Archer, this is Archer.
Hey, buddy.
He's a big boy. He is an Akita.
So big. Oh, no, you're not allowed in there. We have this dog, it's a Japanese breed and it's like huge and very, very beautiful and mellow. Apparently they're supposed to be like hunting dogs in Japan, but this one's like super lazy, which I find really funny. Yeah, really good morning. You had a good morning?
Got a few jobs done.
Right, want me to pass you up some stuff?
Yep.
You stay there. What you got, Lenny? Lenny, what you got? You got Dad's hat. Shh. He's sleeping. Grab it. Oh no, not like that. Here. Are they good? Good? Yeah. Say thank you, Joy, for the raspberries. These have got to be the sweetest, best raspberries I've ever had. Joy and her family picked them when they were in season, and apparently they just have bags and bags and bags of frozen raspberries, and I got 2. We're very lucky. You didn't even know it.
Do you remember when we arrived here and Elayna said the portside engine would not go into reverse? Well, I decided to jump into the water to have a look to see if anything was caught around the prop. With no obvious obstruction, my guess at this stage was that the transmission was a little sticky and would require further investigationaries. Whilst my pea-like brain ruminated over what would no doubt be an easy fix, I decided to proceed with cleaning the outside of the prop, which definitely would not help the situation at all.
Show me what you'll find inside you. Rock it on the street. So look at me, look at you, boy. I don't care what you've done. If I tell you to stop, just only one thing, would you really do? So don't give up to the
5 seconds, do it again.
So you
toes like that.
Alright. No, what's so funny?
Riley was like, can you check my legs for ticks? And he just spread his toes like in the funniest way, and I've never seen his feet look like that. It's so funny. But I can't see any. You do have really pretty feet though, babe.
I like feet. I do not know why.
Don't flex them.
No, they got to
Stop. They look alien.
They're like little frog's toes, aren't they?
Better than mine. I can't even spread my middle toes.
I think you've got pretty nice looking feet.
Nah, I don't. They're gross. Feet are gross.
Let me look at your foot.
Spread your toes. Any ticks? Lenny, what are you doing? What you doing? He fell into the splits. Stand up. Go on, up and get. Lenny's helping Mum clean. Riley's just doing a workout up the front here. That is everything out of Lenny's room, and we're going to go through it and sort it out once and for all.
This temperature is just amazing. I've never experienced anything like it.
Yeah, it's like
Day
it is
after
perfect.
day after day. Yeah.
I need to look and see what this is because I want this year round.
Yeah, I've just been sleeping without a blanket. And I wake up and I'm not hot and I'm not cold. And
Yeah, it's
everything's
like,
just great.
yeah. Oh wow, that bird has a big fish. Oh no, quick!
You know the moment when the numbness starts kicking in. Now the tide's creeping up. Stay any longer in the
Finally got Lenny's wardrobe organised, you guys. The rest of the room, however, we need to sell all of that, apart from the suitcase. That's the cushions from outside, all in the back. Linen for the house. And Riley's tools under the bed. And this is the one beautiful guest room that we have. An hour earlier, I'd gone all Marie Kondo on the boat, letting go of the things that no longer served me and only keeping the things that, well, spark joy. We found that over the years, the less things we have, the happier we are. But you couldn't have told 20-year-old Elayna that. It took me 5 years and 80-something thousand nautical miles to realise that stuff only weighs you down, both physically and mentally.
That was legitness. Yeah.
Come here, you dog.
I can't keep
This is the Montauk Lighthouse. This is stunning. We're about to climb the lighthouse. Everything's so green here. I'm a sucker for a good old lighthouse. I've always wanted to be a lighthouse keeper and live in one for a short period of time, but most of them are automated these days. This one will be a pretty wicked one to set up camp for a while. It's the 4th oldest active lighthouse in the United States. Construction on the lighthouse was authorised by the Second United States Congress under President George Washington back in 1792. 5 years later, keeper Jacob Hand lit the wicks in the lamps in the tower, and the lighthouse began operation. The views were stunning from the top, looking down on the rocky coast and the delicious greenery covering the point.
All the people watching. Who's gonna stop it?
Forgot Lenny was wearing his beautiful white pants when he was eating strawberries. Damn it. So, I got these reusable laundry detergents and stain remover, and it's all chemical free, and like you just reuse this big plastic bottle here. You like put this in the plastic thing and mix with water for a new lot. So, incredible. I'm gonna try it out. I just got it. Stain remover. 1 tiny scoop per load. How do you get strawberry inside your pants?
Nobody's watching.
Yeah, we usually get Lenny nude when he's eating berries. Forgot he was wearing pants. We've been really trying to cut down on plastic items on the boat, and remember how I mentioned shampoo bars? Yeah, I just got some more of those because I ran out, but this has like a shampoo and conditioner effect, and they smell amazing, and they're like small. You can put that in your travel bag, and yeah, you don't have to buy a big plastic bottle. Shampoo and conditioner. Woo! What you doing? Are you being naughty? Are you being naughty? Joy made Lenny a bunch of muffins and us some muffins. They're so amazing. Made out of the zucchini in her garden and like a bunch of other delicious ingredients. So happy. Hey guys, I just wanted to share with you our SLV Essential Sail Guide if you haven't got it already. Yeah, Riley and I made it. It's got 6 how-to videos as well, and it's all that we've learnt over the past 5 years we've been sailing, things we wish we had have known when we first started, but we learnt everything the hard way. So yeah, if you think you might find this useful, grab it. It's $20, links in the description below. I talk about seasickness, Riley goes into boat maintenance, what kind of boat to buy based on your needs, a bunch of stuff, and we'd really appreciate the support. Thank you. Enjoy the rest of the episode.
Do you want to bite down on the spoon again, or are you not going to do it now? You're such a show-off. Eat your food.
Eat your food.
How do you know what a camera is? How do you know what a camera is? It's so weird. Yeah.
Yeah, he like bites the spoon and it's really hard to get it out of his mouth. Stop doing that.
For heaven's sake, Lenny. Yeah. There you go.
With all of his strength, hey?
Yeah.
I love you, Lenny.
Pretty tuckered out. Oh, Mum, don't video me.
The sweetest thing I've ever seen. Little angel. That's the cutest he's ever done. Look at the deer. Oh. Did you see the deer? Did you see it?
Started as a seed in the ground. A simple complication grown to such a high. But if we didn't know what we found.
I've never seen such a pebbly beach before. Gin Beach is just covered in these beautiful rocks of all kinds, including quartz pebbles, which are probably my favourite. They're derived from quaternary marine coastal plain sediments. I went to collect some to decorate the boat and Riley was like, oh great, we're collecting rocks now, are we? Could you think of anything heavier? And then recommended I stick to feathers and shells.
Oh, I would rather be blind somehow, 'cause as far as I could see, the apple in the tree.
Who leaves an area like this? There's just
Nah.
fish heads everywhere.
It smells, doesn't it, Lenny? It stinks.
So I've been hanging around on this dock with a lot of the local fishermen, and there's a problem between the push from the Hamptons. So this is still a fishing town, and as the Hamptons and those areas get more and more fancy, the price of houses and everything goes up, and it's getting closer and closer to Montauk. So there's that, and then there's also fishing regulations, so they can't make the same money that they used to doing the same job, and it's getting tight enough now where the younger fishermen just are realizing that there's not really a future in that industry. But that's the whole thing that makes this town beautiful. There's a lot of money to be made in the area from letting that sort of tourism and that Hamptons kind of push come over into this town. But that's the beautiful thing about this place, is all the fishing boats and the fact that it's maintained its sort of quaint fishing village feel. So that's the first thing that everyone talks about. It's the contentious point in the area, and I've found it really interesting hearing about it from various people. I guess it would be the same in a lot of different places, but yeah.
The corn here in Montauk's pretty good.
Yeah, the pups are crazy about it.